लोकसभा और राज्यसभा की कार्रवाई शुरू हो चुकी है।
मैं आपसे पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, प्रश्नकाल के अंदर किसी भी विषय को किधर भी ना इधर ना उधर विषय को नहीं बोलने देगा। प्रश्नकाल मतलब प्रश्नकाल। आप अगर व्यवस्था बना के रखना चाहते हैं, सदन चलाना चाहते हैं, तो सदन इस व्यवस्था से चलेगा। प्रश्नकाल में किसी को भी अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा। प्रश्नकाल एक महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है और वो मेंबर्स का समय होता है, इसलिए आप ये व्यवस्थाएं हमेशा परंपरा में रही है और आगे इस परंपरा को और ठीक से लागू किया जाएगा। मंत्री महोदय,
जवाब पटल पे रख दिया गया है।
सदस्य,
thank you very much, Speaker sir, for giving me an opportunity for me to speak first time in this 18th Lok Sabha, sir. Sir, I am very much thankful to my leader, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu, for bringing this issue of declaring Prakash district as a backward district, sir. Sir, in the lines of with the Honorable Prime Minister and with the Honorable Finance Minister in the lines of Bundelkhand, sir. Sir, I have been fighting this for a long time. When I entered into the 12th Lok Sabha about 26 years back, this issue has been raised, sir. Now today, I am very happy. Yesterday in the budget itself, this has been announced, sir. I am very proud to tell to my people of Andhra Pradesh, Prakash district, that the NDA government has done this, favorable for this Andhra Pradesh state, especially my Prakash district, sir. Sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, sir, the funds allocated for this, backward region development is only 50 crores, sir. Whether the Honorable Minister, sir, through you, sir, this is a small amount. After seeing that, this has been declared about 25 years back, sir. With now, the population increase and the inflation, whether this 50 crores is going to be increased, sir.
Sir, the Aspirational Districts Program is a pan-India program. It is a brainchild of the Honorable Prime Minister, and in 2018, all districts were assessed as to find out who were the lowest ranked in living index. 112 districts were selected, and out of those 112 districts, we have tried to make sure that these districts come up at par with the rest of the better off districts in the country. The theme in all these districts to make them rise above their backwardness is convergence, cooperation and competition. Convergence of all government schemes, whether they are state government schemes or whether they are government of India schemes. And then we have made one step forward and asked for cooperation between the state governments and the central governments. And thereafter, we've had competition amongst all these 112 districts through a delta ranking system, whereby, according to the baseline, the performance of each of these districts, how further it has gone up or down, has been decided.